everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for the Agoda account. First, go ahead to your Google Play Store or App Store, then go to search and search for the Agoda app. Then once you find the app, install it. Once installed, open the app and then wait for it to load. Next, go ahead and click on more and then click sign in or create an account. You can choose the option to sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, or sign in with Apple. If you're picking sign in with Apple, go ahead and click continue, give it your Face ID, and then you'll have to enter your name, your last name, and then your phone number, and that's it. This is how you guys can sign into your Apple account in the Agoda app. To sign in with email, enter your email address, then create your strong password. You can also sign up using other features like Facebook. After that, check your email inbox and click on the verification link sent by Agoda to confirm your account. Once verified, your account will be successfully created and ready to use for bookings. That's how you sign